Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. It is day 9 here in Hong Kong and we are having so much fun here. Our activity for today, so this is our second to the last day. This is the day guys that I will be making my decision of what bag that I will be purchasing here. So I've decided to go back here at CITYGATE Outlet Mall. But before that, we are going to check out the cherry blossom garden or something over here. So of course, I'm going to show you lots of activities, fun sceneries here. So I'm inviting you all to stay tuned and watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about dates about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury family. Please help me reach my 4,000 to 5,000 subbies. Also, please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at @RamiraFi2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. So it's our 9th day here in Hong Kong and we are going back to CITYGATE Outlets. It's the day that I'll be purchasing my bag. So I'll see you guys there. Guys, so we are currently at CITYGATE Outlet and OMG, we are so lucky because when we have visited the NGONG cable car going to the Big Buddha Temple up in the mountains, there are no lines like this, but look at the lines right now. It is Friday, time is 11 in the morning. Wow! We were so lucky. So it means that you have such a wait time riding the cable car and reaching Ngongpin. Guys, look at this shoe. I have a shoe bag version of this one, remember? Alright, our next stop, let us check out Ferla here at CITYGATE Outlet. So the price of this small tote bag is 1,498 HKD. Again guys, all the prices that I'm noting here are in HKD and are already the sale price. So we have many beautiful bags here. Loving these totes over here. Kind of reminds me of the Dior book tote with their shape, with their material. Next, we have another tote bag. Same sale price of 1,490. This one is a little bit larger and I am loving the material on this one. 1,390 for that. Next, we have another top handle Kate Spade tote bag. What do you think of this one comparing it to my toiletry pouch 26? How about this? It's actually cute. $2,940 discounted HKD. Look what I found at Ferla. How beautiful is this gold bag, gold croc embossed finish. Price is 2,934 HKD. How cute is this shoulder bag style, and this is the entire collection. Just look at the material, very soft and very 50 off. Next, we head on to the Coach men's section. So here we have tote bags.
So for this one,
49. Okay, that's original.
For half price first, 15% off.
Okay.
2,104.
Okay. And you said this is the very last one. So guys, this is the men's tabby. So it comes with top handle, It comes with shoulder strap and you could wear this as a belt bag. Oh my god, guys, I think I found the winner. Holy crap, this is so gorgeous, guys. Oh my god. So here at CITYGATE Outlet, there is a Coach store that is for men's, but holy crap, guys. Oh my god, I'm so freaking getting this. Like when I saw this, and they have checked whether I've asked if they have stocks, like new stocks. They said it's the last piece. So I've also asked them if they could put this on reserve for me so that I could check other stores. Unfortunately, they said they don't reserve PC. So I'm walking out right now, guys. I'm in love. Oh my god. So guys, when you open, I've measured. So it looks a little bit smaller than the tabby, but I've measured in comparison with my toiletry pouch 26. They are of the same length. So I am guessing that the length of this one is also 26 centimeters. And this is the belt. So it's actually a free belt. You could wear this one as a belt bag, crossbody, and as a top handle. Guys. And just to show you, here, there, so that's and the leather is amazing. Guys, oh my god. Thank you.
And inside have three strands. This for the longer, and then this can change the style.
Hi guys, so I have just walked out Coach Men's store. Unfortunately, I didn't get the bag yet because they've given me incorrect pricing, which made me a little bit upset because I was so ready to purchase for that price with what the CA gave me. Unfortunately, what happened was when I was at the counter, the lady, the other CA, was giving me other price, and the original CA that I was talking to, he backtracked with the original price. He's saying that the price that they gave me was for the other tabby that I'm checking out. So I walked out the store. I told them I'm just going to check more here, then maybe I'll just come back. If I don't find anything, I'm not really sure, guys. If, for example, they've given me the right price, I may actually consider. But since they've given me the incorrect pricing, it kind of leaves like a bad taste in my mouth. So what do you think, guys? Next up, let us check out IT Outlet. So these are their menswear section, mostly ready-to-wear pieces here. But I'm going to show you some beautiful pieces inside. So they have this cute knickknacks at this cabinet over here. So there we have the prices. We have some accessories, and then guys, just look at this coat. So this one, 1,150 HKD, made entirely of mohair. I'm actually thinking why I did not get this one, especially this one reminds me of Chanel. 850 HKD sale price. Next, let us check out Marni. So here we have their window display. So we have boots, we have ready-to-wear pieces. They also have beautiful bags inside, but let us check out first what they currently have and what's on sale. Ooh, loving this very beautiful top handle bag. They have tote bags, and they have, I think these are their classic style. So this one, 1,500 for this tote bag by Marni. It's like a market tote bag. Next, let us check out Jimmy Choo. So Jimmy Choo, they have shoes, they have a couple of bags, and how gorgeous is this crystal encrusted boots. How beautiful that is. So we have more shoes, some bags, loving the chunky bags and loving the tote bags as well. Perfect for everyday, perfect for travel as well. Here we have some loafers. Price is 2,599 HKD, and close up of this bonbon bag. The sale price of this one really expensive. It's 18,600. Just look how special it is. I am loving this studio bag for men's. Just look at her. I have tried this at one of the outlets. I think it's the Horizon for women's wear, but they're mostly the same. But for men's, it's a lot bigger. It really looks so chic and so beautiful. This is by Ferragamo again. So from part 2 of our CITYGATE Outlet Mall. Hope you are enjoying our tour so far. So guys, currently we are inside MLB, Major League Baseball. So this is the price, $8.29. This is actually a cute tote. It's made of canvas. This is a nice baby. So this price comes with additional 20% off, so 1,359. So price would be around 1,000 HKD. So I decided to check out the Coach Women's section here at CITYGATE Outlet. So this is their window display. My mission on this one is to find the Coach Tabby in chalk color, the size 26 that I found on my second day here in Hong Kong. I'm going to link, of course, all the shopping vlogs on the description below, so make sure you check them out if you haven't seen that. So here we have this, everything here, of course, is on sale. How beautiful are the tote bags over here. Honestly guys, currently I am in a Coach kick. I'm not really sure what happened, but I'm really drawn to everything that is Coach ready to wear SLGs, especially bags, especially the Tabby line. So here we have very beautiful ready to wear piece, and then how gorgeous is this metallic silver Coach bag. For the names though, I'm not really that familiar. So here we have this very beautiful Red Sea tote bag, if I'm not mistaken with the name. 1650 for soft tab. An extra 15% off. So the price of this one is around 2,380. That's the sale price, and this is around 1,400. Hi guys, I just walked out the Coach, the women's section here at CITYGATE Outlet. I was looking for the Tabby top handle in the, I think the color is chalk. I was contemplating whether to get that or the blue one earlier. However, the chalk Tabby top hand, the Coach Tabby in chalk is already sold out. So unfortunately, I missed my chance on that one. Now we are running back to the other Coach store. I know I said earlier that unfortunately, it's kind of making me unhappy because I was given with the wrong price. But honestly guys, when I saw that blue Coach Tabby for men's, it's very rare to find a good Coach Tabby at Coach outlet. So we're running in. Hopefully it's still there because they said that they're going to save the bag for me until 4 p.m. but it's past 4. So crossing our fingers. If it's still there, I'd get it. If it's not, then I would just have to move on. So let's see. Stay tuned. Guys, she is still here. So oh my god. So this is it. Hi guys, OMG, so we went running back at the Coach store and guess what? So I got a new Coach bag. I'm so excited to welcome her to my collection. I'll be unboxing soon together with all what we've purchased here in Hong Kong. But anyway, that sums up our part 2 of our CITYGATE Outlet Mall shopping. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. So again guys, before we end today's vlog, kindly leave me a credit card emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. So before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!